Finding your way around a new city. Introduction. Moving to a new city can be an exciting adventure, but also a bit scary. You may not know where anything is or how to get around, but don't worry. With a few tips and some practice, you'll soon find your way around like a local. In this guide, we'll look at some simple strategies to help you navigate a new city comfortably. Understanding the layout. Most cities are designed in a particular pattern. Some cities are laid out like a grid, with streets running at right angles to each other, making it easier to navigate. Others might have a more complicated design. It's helpful to look at a map of the city or use a mapping app on your phone to get a sense of the layout. Notice any big landmarks like rivers, parks, or tall buildings that can help you orient yourself. Using public transport. Public transport is a great way to get around a new city. Buses, trams, and trains can take you almost anywhere you need to go. First, try to get a transport map from a local station or download one from the internet. These maps will show you different routes and stops. Look for a day pass option, which lets you use unlimited public transport for one day at a fixed price. It's perfect for exploring. Asking for directions. Don't be afraid to ask locals for directions. Most people are happy to help. When asking, speak clearly and politely. Use simple phrases like, "Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the library?" Remember, it's okay if you don't understand the directions the first time. You can always ask someone else or use your phone to confirm the route. Exploring on foot. Walking is one of the best ways to learn about a new city. You can see the sights, discover hidden gems, and get a feel for the local culture. When exploring, make sure you have comfortable shoes and a map or your phone with GPS. Try not to worry about getting lost. Sometimes those unexpected turns lead to the most wonderful discoveries. Using technology. Technology can be a big help in finding your way around. Smartphones have many apps designed to help you navigate. Google Maps, for example, is a popular app that shows your location on a map and gives directions to where you want to go. Remember to keep your phone charged and consider carrying a portable charger. Shopping and eating out. Finding places to shop and eat is part of the fun of being in a new city. Look for grocery stores, markets, cafes, and restaurants in your area. You can ask people you meet for recommendations or look online for reviews. Trying local foods can be a great way to experience the culture of your new city. Staying safe. Safety is important when exploring a new city. Always be aware of your surroundings, especially at night. Keep your belongings close and avoid less crowded or poorly lit areas. If you ever feel unsafe, go to a public place like a shop or restaurant and ask for help. Conclusion. Moving to a new city is a great opportunity to learn and grow. It might seem challenging at first, but with time, you will find your way around. Use maps, technology, and local advice to explore safely. Remember, every mistake is just a chance to learn something new. Enjoy your adventure in your new city.